In front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and today I would like to show you how you can set up App Lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Apps. Then scroll again to tap on App Lock app and enter your current login method. Now choose Lock App When and pick one of those options. Lock App When screen is locked, or Lock App When screen is locked or app exits. Wherever you decided, when you finished, click on Lock Settings and tap on Privacy Password if you wish to use it to open your apps. If you don't have it, you need to set it up the same way as Screen Lock from this settings, or simply tap on Device Screen Lock to use it instead. Now to finally lock any app, click on this icon right next to it. So when I go back and try to access one of my apps, I can see that pattern is required. To disable App Lock from any app, go back to the same settings and click on No black squares right next to them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!